quiet.
Poo.
Need a poo?
No.
Oh.
Bigger.
Hang on. Come, I'll show you, look. Ready? Ah! Look. Wait, they'll fly back in a minute. Watch when they fly back, you'll see them. They keep coming and they eating out of that thing. Look, ready? Look, here they come, see? Is it? Is it? Yeah. Ain't they clever? They're so pretty. I want them on my balcony.
Parrots are loud today.
They're fighting over the seeds on the balcony.
The what?
The seeds on the balcony.
Oh.
Next to the one that looks like prison.